all of you are aware, the Honorable Prime Minister launched the Prime Minister Gati Shakti National Master Plan in October 2021. And in these 1.5 years, a lot of progress has been made and we are getting very good results. As you are aware, this is a data-based GIS system which is to be used for holistic planning, multimodal connectivity, infrastructure, and for bringing logistics efficiency in the country using objective data for decision making. Now, the data has been put in place. It has been used by various in India for planning their projects, duly optimizing the principles of Gati Shakti. And what are these principles? That there should be multimodal connectivity of infrastructure leading to an efficient logistics ecosystem. In order to support the Gati Shakti National Master Plan, the Honorable Prime Minister also launched the National Logistics Policy a couple of months back in September last year. And that is to make our businesses more competitive and make sure that the services which are related to infrastructure lead to a cost-effective logistics ecosystem. So, in that context, two important things have been done at Government of India level. One is the Network Planning Group, which sits and evaluates major infrastructure projects of Government of India, whether they be rail projects or they be road projects or telecom or power or pertaining to ports, inland waterways or any of the other infrastructure ministries. And what do we evaluate? We sit and see the planning of the project, all the infrastructure ministries sit and they see whether the railway line which is being proposed or the road which is being proposed meets multimodal connectivity criteria. So if there are economic zones, the road must connect all the economic zones. It must connect the major places of tourism, of economic growth in the area. Similarly, there should be no last mile connectivity issues with respect to airports, with respect to railways. If there are manufacturing zones, raw material needs to come in, finished goods need to go out. So there should be good connectivity to ports, good connectivity to the raw material producing areas of the country, good connectivity to the markets as the manufacturing goods flow out. And these markets could be within the country or they could be export markets. Hence, the manufacturing zones are being connected, much better connected, duly taking care of critical infrastructure gaps to the ports and to the different marketplaces. In this way, we are strengthening our supply chains in the country. And in this way, we are making our country and the logistics ecosystem more attractive for investments, whether they come from within the country or these are foreign investments. When logistics cost is low because of logistics efficiency, which is promoted by both building of infrastructure and by giving better services related to logistics and through multimodal connectivity, it is then that our goods which are made in the country become more globally competitive. That is when we support Make in India, that is when we support, this is the entire spirit. Now, as I said, very good results are already being seen and 66 major infrastructure cases have been evaluated by the Network Planning Group in the last 1 year or so. These 66 cases are valued at about 5 lakh rupees and these are all cases where planning has been done on the Gati Shakti National Master Plan, duly promoting multimodal connectivity, duly promoting any connectivity, bridging the connectivity gaps to the various infrastructure projects. So